Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add title to column chart. So let's start. It's my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So here I'm going to first create column chart. Simply select the data and just go to the insert tab. In charts group, click on the column chart. In 2D column, select the first column chart and here you can see your column chart is inserted with the chart design and format tab. Drag the corner point to increase the size of the column chart, and here you can see this is the chart title. You can easily add here chart title. Simply click on it and you can use here the backspace and delete key to delete the chart title. After that you can add here title easily, cells data, and to format in chart title, right click on the chart and click on the format chart title, and you can see the format chart title is open. Okay, in title option, the first is a field. You can field color in chart title. So I select here the solid field and you can change here the color also. Click on this drop down arrow and click on select here the color. And you can see your chart title color is field different. Okay. You can fill here the gradient field. Just select the gradient, drag below, and you can select here the different gradient stop also. I just set here the second stop and change the color of the second stop. Then I set here the third stop, change the color of the third stop. See the changes over here. I change here the light color one and see the changes. And for fourth stop, I select here the different color and see here the all color is showing in combined in your chart title field. Okay, this is a way you can use the gradient. And after that you can use pattern field also. You can feel the pattern. We'll see the different pattern field also. You can feel the chart title. Okay, you can change the pattern field color also. There is a color option. You can select different pattern here. See the changes over here. See the changes. You can select here the different pattern those you want. Okay. Okay, so I select here the gradient. Okay, after that, just second option is effects. You can use here effects also. The different effects is available. See the changes over here. You can see the different effects color also you can select. Okay, glow. These are the different effects is available. You can see glow. Glow is showing the different effects. Okay, now click on the third option, size and properties. Just click on it and here in alignment, you can change the vertical alignment and text direction. So I select here the text direction. You can see the selected is a horizontal. If you want to rotate, just click on it and you can see here your chart title is rotate. So I select here the horizontal as default horizontal set. After that, go to text option. In text option, you can change the text style. You can change the text fill. Okay, so I select here the solid fill and in colors I change here the different color of text. Okay, see the changes over here. When I select here the different colors, see the changes on the text of chart title. Okay, so I select this one, and gradient fill also you can fill in your text color. So I select here the different color. See the changes when I select the gradient stop and changes in the chart title text. You can see the chart titles text. Okay, in the second last stop. Okay, and see here you can feel the color, the gradient. Okay, text pattern fill also you can select for the text fill. You can see the changes over in pattern fill also. The text fill is showing the different look. Okay, see the changes over here. See, so I select this one. Okay, so you can change the color of the pattern. Okay, if you want to change the background color, you can change here the background color also. The pattern background color also you can change. Okay, so I remove the background colors. Now I select the this one. Okay, this looking. After that, and that's it. And here text fill, I click on it. Text outline also you can change here. Okay, in text outline solid fill. Okay, I click here the different color and see the text outline. You can see the changes in your text outline showing the different. You can use the dash tab line also. See the dash tab line also added in your text. Okay, width of text, you can increase the width of text also. Okay, thickness you can increase here easily. Okay. So this is a way you can use this formatting option for chart title. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.